Alright, I got him working again. These gears right here, there's a little bit of play in there, and this one right here somehow gets bound up on something in there. So I just took a flat tip screwdriver and kind of gave it a couple of little pushes, and it started turning. See, there it goes. So plug him in, and this is the rod that goes through the back. It makes him rock forward and back. And I'll put him together and show you what he looks like all together. When I first bought this, I bought him at an antique store, and they said he didn't work. So I brought him home and I plugged him in. You could hear the motor humming, but it wasn't turning at all. Turns out it was the same thing, that gear was binding up. So I soaked it down with WD-40 real good, and then took a screwdriver and just kind of gently pried on these gears, and it came loose and started working. So all in all, it was a good investment. So I'm gonna pause it, put him together, and then resume the video and show you how he rocks back and forth. I'll be back in a minute. There we have him. You can hear the motor work running. It's kind of noisy, but considering it's the original motor and it's from probably 65 to 70, 1965 to 1970, I can live with that. I can live with his paint too, even though it's not perfect. So I've also got a couple of mechanical sleighs that I'm going to be working on soon right there. But hopefully I'll get them working. Anyway, if you like the videos, click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to get updates, and thanks for watching.